With watches, patches, clip-ons, and more, there's no shortage of health and activity trackers out there. The wearable market is fast-growing, and most of these companies proclaim the same goal: help people get healthy and stay that way. But beyond just everyday health, can an activity tracker be part of the more specific market to help surgery patients heal faster? We think so. In fact, we know so. Find out how on this episode of Healthy Dialogues. It's well known that post-surgery, patients must get up and get moving to recover most effectively. After surgery, patients need to be able to ambulate safely before they can go home to finish the healing process. Activity trackers offer great opportunity for patients and caregivers to monitor that progress. After an operation, however, patients move with what we call the surgery shuffle. Consumer devices don't pick up on these movements, leaving these devices pretty useless for recovery. The RXNavigate, a new activity tracker by Savvysherpa, is designed specifically with patients in mind. The device has a sophisticated motion sensor that recognizes patients' gait and differences in step. Basically, it knows who you are, taking healthcare wearables to the next level. In 2013, Savvysherpa began working with our clinical team at Intermountain Medical Center to develop a post-surgery treatment plan that incorporated this wearable device. This plan includes scheduled prompts from the device that remind patients when and how far they need to walk. Patients can see their progress and accelerate their recovery. With this plan in place, Intermountain Healthcare began conducting clinical research to prove or disprove the long-term value of RXNavigate. We wanted to see how the technology first improves clinical outcome and second reduces readmissions, complications, and cost. While our research is not yet complete, the data is very promising. Some of our early findings include the more a patient walks and moves, the faster they go home, cutting days off their hospital stay and saving thousands of dollars. Patients who meet their movement goals cut in half their risk of being readmitted to the hospital. Patients who participate in the program also have a sense of ownership, feeling like they are the ones who are in control of their recovery instead of being passive participants. And finally, while the program was originally designed to track activity before surgery and 30 days afterwards, about 50% of the patients continue to participate in the program beyond that time because they see how being active has improved not just their recovery, but their general health. We believe that a person's level of activity is as important of a vital sign as heart rate, blood pressure, and the other things we routinely measure to judge a patient's health. Because of this, Intermountain Healthcare is also working with Savvysherpa to integrate this sensor into our EMR, making this data part of the patient's medical record. This will help caregivers to be on the same page regarding a patient's care and enable Intermountain Healthcare as a system to do more robust data mining to determine best practice and improve care for patients long term. At Intermountain, implementing Savvysherpa is just one way we're transforming healthcare. For more videos, subscribe to our Healthy Dialogues channel.